What's going on, everyone? It's your boy Lil Panda back out here at Raising Cane's for a car meet, and we already got a ton of cars out here. That Audi R8 is fucking sick. Got a BMW here, a couple of them actually. This Hyundai and the RGB lights. Yee. Oh, we got two Audi R8s. Okay. And these guys right here, man, selling some hot dogs. They got dollar sodas, some waters. Follow these guys on Instagram, y'all.
Come get your stars. Come get your hot dog, y'all.
Get your say in. Get your say in.
With the hot Cheeto dust, the Taki dust, come get it right with your boy. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Dogs. Hey.
Appreciate you guys.
You too, thank you, bro. Add us on You Say Dogs on Instagram, man. Hit us up, boy.
I got you, bro. Got quite a few cars here. Another Honda. A couple more Mustangs. That's child abuse on my ears. Which one?
The kind of people I laugh at when they get out their car and they say,
Oh yeah, the one that just drove by right now? Oh yeah. This guy! Hey, you look high as hell.
I'm going through some wild shit right now.
Ooh, shit. My boy Shitty Luck here. Go follow these guys on Instagram, y'all. God, I want some lights like this. Shit, I want to do my headlights. This BMW is about to take off. Andrew!
Yes, sir, my boy. Yes, sir.
I'll film off.
Oh, shit. Get your uncle. Wait, is it?
There's my car. Like I said, I want to get the RGB lights right here on my headlights. I ain't got $300 to $500 laying around though. Homeboy Honda 559. Clean fucking Honda. Fucking, I can't believe the amount of work he has in this thing. Everything on this thing is custom. Fucking ridiculous. And the starlights. I'm gonna drink my soda. See, the one guy that's really on the flyer for this meet isn't here. Chris.
Right? Where is he?
He's always late.
Yeah, living in Kramer.
I hope he watches this video too.
Chris, shut the fuck up next time.
Yeah, on time, at least.
For real, bro. Shit.
Yeah, you tell him.
Come on now, Chris. Naughty, naughty.
Oh, no. Naughty, naughty.
Naughty, naughty.
Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. I fuck around too much, bro. Shit.
It's gonna start getting more and more packed, for sure.
Little by little, yeah.
Oh yeah, the later it gets, I don't even know what time it is. What time is it?
Right?